Hey guys, and welcome back to Akiva's Hair. This video I'll be talking about common hair mistakes, and this one will be not cutting your split ends. So firstly, you're probably wondering, what is that? Split ends is where the ends of your hair is split. You've got multiple types of different split ends, like a Y shape. So the hair strand is like an upside down Y. You have a candle, a strand into a small one that mimics literally like a lit candle. And then you have a tree, so you have multiple branches of one strand like a tree. So it's quite noticeable if you can tell if you got split ends by the ends of the hair, around hair and hair. When there's gaps or whenever there's inconsistencies within the hair, that means you're probably acceptable for a trim, or you're ready for a trim now. So why should you cut your split ends is an important thing as well. So you should be cutting your split ends if you want to reach the apex of your hair growth, because you can stay stagnant if you're not cutting your split ends. Because imagine, you can't allow something to grow when it could be damaging. So if you're not cutting your split ends, you're not allowing new growth to be able to come in. When you should cut your split ends, so this all depends on an individual's experience. If you can be able to have it quarterly done, and it depends on how much you're cutting as well. So I would recommend having a conversation with your hairstylist, or if you do your hair yourself, just give yourself a set regime if you're trying to do it 4 times a year, or maybe 6 to 8 times a year. Some people are different depending on how much they want to cut and depending on how frequent they want to do it. But if you want to be able to keep the apex of your hair, and you want to be able to also remain with healthy curls and healthy hair, it's recommended that you cut your split ends. How you cut your split ends, some people, they like to do it when the hair is blow dried. Some other people like to do a curly cut, but make sure you have a professional. So what they don't tell you is, if you have never cut your split ends before, that first wash day, your hair is going to feel so short. You're going to have a little bit of a scare. Like, you're going to have a bit of a hair, you're going to have a little bit of a hair depression, but it's fine. All you need to do is make sure it's a consistent thing. I had that at first, but then now it's grown back and it's going back to its original length, and it's a lot more healthier. So we are going to be aiming to get the best health, and you need to cut your split ends for that. So yeah, like, comment and subscribe for future videos on this series.
Don't for me. Are you telling me this is a sign?